Hey guys, I'm Ryo Takahashi. I'm a cinematographer, director based in Tokyo, Japan. So today I'm gonna be talking about best affordable solution for Vmount battery charger. So let's get started. In terms of Vmount battery charging or battery stuff, it seems like a little expensive for me because I used a lot of gears like DSLR cameras and more budget cinema cameras. These product uses the more small and tiny batteries for their cameras. But on the other hand, the professional gears requires the more high amount batteries to run this product. Vmount battery is the most famous battery in this industry. When I first got my Vmount batteries for my URSA Mini, so this is my first professional camera for my careers. I ended up to go the Alexa, as you know that, but Alexa uses and then drains the batteries while shooting. I mentioned these kind of things in my past videos, but I always struggle that these battery things, and I understand that these Vmount batteries tend to be the more expensive than other DSLR batteries. I know and I understand. I convinced myself to buy these batteries, but in terms of the battery chargers, I think this is too expensive for me. This is not the professional opinion, but this is just recharge my batteries. So I wanna get more cheaper price and I wanna get more affordable solution, because for the Alexa filmmaking we need a bunch of batteries for the shooting. This battery journey is restarted in my maybe 1 year ago, and I found a solution. And this is maybe 6 months ago, but I didn't mention these kind of things to you guys because I want to get more improvement that this product is solid or not. Then 6 months after, and now I want to say this charger is nice. Actually, this battery is from China online e-commerce market. The name is the Aliexpress. I feel this is not legitimate for professional gears, but this is my kind of experimental things. But I bought this Vmount battery charger. This has a 4 channels, but the price is super surprisingly the lower price. This price is the $229. This is super cheap in terms of these battery chargers, and then this has 4 channel, right? And then I want to show some example to recharge and how it works of this charger, right? So here's my real charger from this Aliexpress, and this is not promotional thing, so I didn't get any money from this website or manufacturer or something, but I wanna show and this how it works. The one side has a 2 channel and then other side has a 2 channel, and then turn on from this switch, and then you can hear this noise. So this charger makes some little fun noise, but for me, it's not problem for me because mostly I put this charger in my house, or if I'm in the location, I put this kind of battery stuff is far from my shooting places. So yeah, it's not problem for me. But if you are concerned about this sound problem, maybe you should pass this product. This makes noise even if it's not have your batteries in this channel, and then this makes kind of fun noises, right? I have my IDX batteries, and then I mentioned that this budget Vmount batteries, but SOONWELL battery is it works well so far. So yeah, and then we can put these kind of things. So yeah, like this. Then if this battery is settled, this lamp is gonna be a blue. And if this battery is not enough charged, status lamp is gonna be a red. Or, and then it finished to charge, lamp is to be the green. So this is the sign of finished the recharge. We can recharge your Vmount battery at the same time, and then the number is a 4 channel. So this is super helpful for your shooting. 6 months after, I use this charger for many projects, but it's not a problem, right? So yeah, I want to say this is super solid product. Okay, it's so noisy, so I turn off. I want to introduce these for the kind of beginners, or the if you want to get more professional gears like a URSA Mini or the LED or Alexa, whatever. They uses the Vmount batteries. Maybe this charger is kind of nice solution, and then it's cheap, it's affordable. And I wanna get one more this battery charger, so we can get the 8-channel chargers at the same time. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped your decision, your filmmaking process.